Hey, Lenka, what are you doing now?
Oh, hi. I'm designing the heart shape for making lighting fixtures.
Wow, cool. How did you do it?
Easy, let me show you. First, open the operating system of this roll bending machine. Then click the arc editor interface. You just need to enter the radius and angle of the arc segment here. Then the heart shape will be designed. Second, just press this button. Then this machine will process the profile according to the program setting.
Wow, that's so cool. Well, can it make a circle?
Of course! Circle, water drop, ellipse, and triangle. This shape can all be made by this machine. You just design what you want and it will make it.
Wow. This machine is so amazing. How can I learn more about it?
Just follow this channel and I will share more about it with you.